Hi, I'm Kate and welcome to my Emaze tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create and edit your own Emaze PowerPoint presentations. So if I went to emaze.com and created my own account using my email, it would take me to this page right here, which is the My Emazes tab. These are the Emazes that I've personally created, and here is the shared Emazes tab. So this would be the Emazes that you have shared or that other people have shared with you. Emaze is or can be collaborative. So in the same way that Google Slides stores PowerPoints and allows you to use them, or allows you to collaborate. This kind of does the same thing. So if I wanted to create a new Emaze, I could either upload a PowerPoint that I've created on a different platform, or I could create my own brand new Emaze, and I could create either a presentation, website, blog, photo album, or e-card. I'm going to create a presentation. So once I click on create a presentation, it would prompt me to choose a template. And there are many templates that I can choose from. So I'm in education, so I'm going to choose from the education-related templates. And there are a lot of them. And each of these different Emazes has a different theme. So this Emaze, for example, appears as though you're traveling over and through buildings. This Emaze looks like you're in an art museum. This Emaze looks like you're scrolling around a newspaper. This is under the sea. This takes you to different places on a chalkboard. All of these Emazes have different themes, but not only do they have different themes, they're good for different types of presentations. So, for example, this story presentation gives slide templates that are useful for maybe biographies or autobiographies, whereas this polygon presentation gives more graph and mathematical types of slide formatting. So you can kind of choose which types of presentations might be good for whatever you're doing. This gallery presentation I think is really cool because it makes it look like, I'll just show you, it makes it look like you're going through a museum, and this might be good for a sociology or culture or some sort of art lesson, because you can essentially create your own museum and show your students. You can fill these paintings or whatever with whatever you want, but as you can see, you can probably take note that obviously not all Emaze templates are going to have slides that you can choose from where there are 6 places for art and not very much text. And you should note that these slides are actually they're pre-formatted, so you choose from pre-formatted slides. So if I wanted to go and edit one of these templates, I could choose to do so. I'm going to edit this this slide, and I'm actually going to choose. I'm just going to continue to work on one that I've already been doing. So this is a presentation I started earlier today. I did not spend all that long on it, but it looks pretty decent. Like I spent maybe more time on it than I did. And that's because these slides come previously formatted. So, for example, I didn't create this graphic. I really just clicked on it and took out the filler text and filled it with my own information. So something cool about Emaze is, let's see, if I wanted to edit Emaze, is that all the slides come previously formatted. So you can it's really good for creating professional looking presentations without even needing very much experience on presentations. So if I wanted to add a new slide to this PowerPoint, I'd click this Add button up here, and I'd choose from one of these slides that are available for this particular template. Not all the templates have the same slides. Some templates, as I previously discussed, are more mathematically oriented. Some have more room for quotes. Some have more room for graphs. These are places where you could embed YouTube videos in the background of the video or somewhere in the video. Say, for example, I wanted to, I guess I'll choose to edit, well, I guess this 3 facts slide, I'll do that, and if I wanted to maybe make, put in weird little effects, I could do that. If I wanted to add an image, I could search for an image from the web, Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, your Drive. So if I search for a tree, the trees are pretty good. Alright, so now I've got a tree. And if I wanted to edit this slide, I'm just going to delete, or I'll just add to it. Important facts about me. An important fact is that I am a future teacher. Sure. Okay, that works. Yeah. Anyway, this is a really user-friendly site. You don't need to spend a lot of time becoming familiar with the different options. They're really honestly straightforward. If you want to edit the text size, you can just do that type of deal. All of these are prone to the scrolling situation, so this is making things more clear or more transparent and opaque, I suppose. And yeah, so once you're done, you can save the presentation, you can download it, you can share it, you can view it, you can copy it, and I think I actually might do translate. Let's see, is that? No, that is not the translate button. There is a translate button. I don't have time to find it right now, but it does exist. Anyway, thank you for coming to my presentation. Have fun editing your own amazing presentations.